Started with just one small pump, this company went on becoming the one of the biggest oil and petroleum companies in India with record-breaking revenue of 9 lakh crore. Imagine in 1959 India that was mostly dependent on foreign energy companies. Then came Indian Oil, which came from national goal for self-sufficiency. They moved quickly to take over assets from private companies, which was a turning point in India's struggle for control over its energy resources. In the 1970s, Indian Oil captured over 30% of the market share. This growth wasn't just about marketing. Indian Oil entered with a disadvantage, but they had a secret weapon, the Indian consumer. Their initial marketing focused on affordability and reliability. Print ads showcased Indian families using Indane LPGs for cooking, a cleaner and safer alternative. Truck drivers were targeted with the message of dependable service on highways. Indian Oil wasted no time. They rapidly expanded their refining capacity, setting up massive refineries across the India. This not only ensured a steady fuel supply but also laid the groundwork for sustainable growth. Indian Oil became an important player in the region as the refining capacity increased to an unbelievable 70 million metric ton annually by 2023. Indian Oil concentrated on gaining the trust of Indian consumers in the early years. They highlighted the position as a firm committed to the growth of the country as a champion for it. Millions of Indians had easy access to fuel, thanks to their vast network of more than 24,000 gas stations, which is a proof of dedication to providing convenient customer service. Indian Oil had amazing financial growth and position as a market leader in the fiscal year 2022-23 with a record-breaking revenue of 9 lakh crore and the amazing profit net of 8,000 crores. Indian Oil's market shares, which includes a remarkable 40% in refining and a dominant 46% in petroleum products, clearly demonstrate its power in Indian energy industry. Their success matched with Indian economic expansion. Indian Oil's revenue grew by sustainable 28% year over year to a remarkable 9 lakh crore in 2022-23. This remarkable expansion was similar to 8.2% GDP growth of India. The success of Indian Oil is due to the vision, smart planning and successful planning. Indian Oil's creative technique and national origins are a reflection of Indian efforts to advance and become a sustainable in the energy sector. Have you ever visited an Indian Oil pump station? Let us know in the comment section. Also remember to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more engaging stories on Indian businesses.